Before Malakas and Maganda, there was only the sky, the sea, and a shadow that flew above them all. That shadow was Manaul, a colossal bird, older than the islands, older than time. Manaul was no gentle guardian. His eyes burned with rage, his feathers like armor forged by the gods. He perched atop the highest cliff, watching the silent sea, furious at the stillness of the world. In his anger, Manaul struck the sky with his cry. He clawed boulders from the mountains and hurled them into the sea, not once, but again and again, each time louder, harder. From the crashing of stone and water, the islands rose. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, not gifts, but scars, created by force, not love. But the gods feared Manaul's fury. They cast him into the winds, far from the world he shaped. And there he remained, the bird who gave birth to land, but never touched it. Manaul, the bird who made the Philippines, the legend we left behind.